Hi, this is Jose Garcia with JE Project. We're here to introduce our real-time location service software. It's a type of indoor GPS which works with Bluetooth. Therefore, it's a Bluetooth positioning system. It allows us to track the fastest moving objects in real time with an accuracy of up to 1 inch, delivering reliability even in the most difficult environments such as ports, factories, warehouses, where fast-moving objects are involved. The system works with Bluetooth. Therefore, we can communicate with anything that has Bluetooth inside. We can communicate with heart rate monitors, we can communicate with pressure sensors, we can communicate with temperature sensors, and any IoT which has Bluetooth inside. Also, we can connect with any other device through the use of an API. The healthcare industry is using it to follow the nurses, the doctors, their equipment, the patients. The retail industry is using it to follow each movement of clients as they walk into the store. It's like having Google Analytics, but in your store. You can follow exactly which path they're taking in your store, where they're spending more time, so you can create a better product positioning. Another industry, security. Follow your security personnel, follow children, follow who walks through the door. With an RFID card, you may open the door, but you don't know how many people actually walk through it. With this system, you can follow them. You can follow them also with video cameras. We can have the video cameras pinpointing the direction of the tag of the person you want to follow. We have the sports industry is using this to increase the performance of their athletes by knowing exactly how their athletes are behaving depending on altitude, humidity, heat, cold. All these factors play an important role on an athlete's performance. There's many other industries such as logistics, warehousing, the energy sector, which are using this in many different forms. Correctional institutions are using this to follow the prisoners and the guards to ensure the safety and the performance of their protocols correctly in all types of scenarios. Okay, so this is one of the examples that we have about an office building. This is a very easy table demonstrating what we do and how it works. As you can see here, this table is one of the normal demos that we have. It's very easy to understand what we do with the location services. As we move one of the tags, we can see them move. You can see all of them with their names, which you can follow from the left side. Inside, you can see their position, their X position, their Y position, their velocity as it moves. You can see how it increases and decreases velocity as it changes from one room to the other, how it changes meeting room, how it changes reception to office 2. Now we can do that for each individual tag. We can also separate the tags and we can make them disappear. Let's say, for example, we only want to follow the managers. Where is the manager? There. The manager is called S1. Good. Now we want to see the managers and the engineers. There you go. We have 2 engineers. Now we want to see them all. We want to find our trucks. Where are trucks? We can literally use this system to segregate each individual component of your company as you ever. We can go as individual as one tag, but we can put them inside different groups where one tag could be in many groups. And you can see things in any way you choose. For example, who's occupying the meeting room, which desk is being occupied. If Julie came to the office today, and where is she? Where can I find her? You can do many things with our systems. The smart buildings, we can turn on lights before people walk into an office. We can turn off lights. We can speak with the APIs and know the temperature of the room. We can increase the temperature. We can decrease the temperature. We know the usage of the room. Maybe one room is not being put in good use and nobody's using it. Maybe we can make something else. And this saves you money. Everything saves you money. We have one company that has 1,200 employees, but it only has 800 desks. They're saving thousands and thousands of dollars monthly just because they're renting a lot less space for their office. This is a way we can help you.